serious about improving your English for IPMAT entrance test? Well, I've got just the right tool for you. Hi, my name is Brenda, and I welcome you all to this session. So, today in this session, we will take a look at five amazing websites that will actually help you improve your preparation for the IPMAT verbal ability section. But before we delve deep into the subject, how about we understand the structure of the English section of IPMAT entrance test? So, IPMAT entrance test verbal ability section will essentially test you on three important areas, that is reading, grammar, and vocabulary, out of which reading comprehension and vocab will hold a major chunk of the paper. So if we improve our reading skills and our vocabulary along with grammar, there is no way we cannot do well in the verbal ability section and secure our seat. So let's just start. Let's understand let's take a look at some amazing websites that will help you improve your preparation. So first and foremost, like I said, you need to read a lot if you want to do well in IPMAT and other related entrance tests. So The Guardian is one amazing newspaper that can be read probably online that will give you exposure to a lot of things. So, right from news to sports to culture to lifestyle, this newspaper has a lot to offer. Now, so referring to newspapers as diverse as this one will help you better your preparation. Not just this, there are some more websites that will help you improve your reading. So Aeon Essays, lithub.com, American Literature. So these are some other websites that will help you read, will give you some authentic content to read, some interesting, engaging content to read. So this or these can be referred to if at all you want to improve your reading skills and that to online reading skills. Now, the other thing that you need to build while preparing for this entrance test is your vocab. You really need to have very good vocabulary. Now, there will be independent questions based on vocab, so right from idioms to confusing words to fillers and whatnot, synonyms and antonyms in certain exams. So, vocab has to be strong. So, there's just no way out. Vocabulary has to be strong. But then, vocabulary helps you read better, doesn't it? So, if your vocabulary is strong, if you understand the essence of the word, you will be able to read better. So, vocabulary.com, you just need to insert the word that you're looking up. It will give you the meaning of the word, it will give you the pronunciation, what part of speech it is, probably the origin of the word, how to use it in sentences. So, it has a lot to offer. Now, it's not just the only website that will help you build your vocabulary. There's another one, which is mnemonicdictionary.com, and my personal favorite, Oxford Learners Dictionary. So, all of them work more or less on the same pattern. So, you enter the word, they give you the meaning, pronunciation, origin, sentence, usage in the sentence, and whatnot. A lot of things. Now, Mnemonic Dictionary will additionally give you a mnemonic to help you retain the word for a very long period of time. So, all of these are fantastic, amazing websites that will actually make the process interesting and engaging. Now, once you start reading, once you start building your vocabulary, you will have the need to probably verify what you've read, what you have comprehended, or how you have comprehended. So there is this another website called cliffnotes.com. Now, what it does, now it has already some books that are already listed in the website. So if at all you've picked up any of the titles that's listed here, and you want to validate what you've written or what you've understood is right or not, you can always come here and see. See, what it does is, let's say you have just finished reading a chapter or the entire book called The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. So this will give you the summary of the book. It will give you the character list. It will give you the summary and analysis, chapter-wise summary and analysis. So whether you want to understand about a certain character or you want to understand the summary, or maybe if you want the chapter-wise summary, this is an amazing source for you to refer to probably see what is the actual thing and how close you have come in terms of understanding it. So this is one highly recommended website if at all you want to summarize what you've read and validate it. Now, there's another one. This one is called Wordify, rewordify.ai. Now, see, what it does is, let's say while you're reading something, you come across something that's a little tricky or a little challenging, maybe a word, a phrase, or maybe an entire paragraph that you find a little challenging. So you can enter it in the field which is given here, and it will give you a very simplified version of whatever you've entered in this description box. So let's say you're reading something from any source, you find it a little challenging, put it here, get a simpler version of it. Helps you get a clarity or a clear idea of what that line or phrase or paragraph or the entire passage was all about. And I guess if you comprehend well, you're always in a better and a safe position to answer all the questions, right? Now, the next website and the last website that I have for you, again, my personal favorite, this one is called BBC Learning English. What it does is it helps you improve your grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary. It gives you a detailed explanation of everything that you could hope for. Now, see, it gives you, I mean, there are sections in it that will help you improve your vocabulary. So there are levels, and they will be good words with proper explanation. There are detailed lectures on various sections of grammar, which are very crucial to these entrance tests. There, they even teach you how to pronounce. Now, mastering English is not only about reading and practicing, it's about speaking also. So, this website helps you in that area as well. So, it helps you pronounce the words better. And last but not the least, they have this amazing YouTube channel, which is called BBC Learning. It's called 6 Minute English. Now, what they do here is um, they pick up a line, generally a line from the newspaper, which would have a good word, an idiom, or a phrasal verb. Now they read that line, they tell you which word or which part of the sentence they are about to discuss. Then they use that, they give the meaning of that word or phrase or idiom or phrasal verb, whatever they pick up, and they give you a lot of examples in a very conversational manner. So it feels as if uh, they engage their audience. So it's very engaging, it's very informative, this one, the YouTube channel, and it's only 6 minutes long, and they pick up a line which will give you at least, which will have at least one to two crucial aspects. So on the whole, the entire thing, the entire package aims to help you improve, and this is by BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. So, one of the best things that you could hope for. Now, I guess these are the 5 websites that will actually help you enhance your preparation or better your preparation for entrance tests such as IPMAT. Now, I strongly recommend that only referring to the websites will not solve the problem. Practicing simultaneously will actually complete the entire thing, and you will be able to get the benefit of whatever time you'll invest in these websites. So go ahead, make the most of these websites, use them to the fullest, but make sure that you practice whatever you gain from these websites. Well, with this, I come to the end of the session. I'm sure they will help you. Thank you.